Hi everyone, welcome to my online dressmaking course. My name is Kalpana and I'm your instructor for this course. Are you someone who loves to sew but struggle with making the patterns? Well, then this course is for you because in this course, I'm going to teach you how to make patterns like a professional dressmaker. I have 20 years of experience in making clothes for myself, for my family, and for the customers. This course is made for people who have never done pattern making in their life. We start right from taking the basic body measurements and then creating a basic block for your upper body, for your lower body, for your sleeve, for your pants, and then doing a different combination to create an entire ensemble. For example, if you know how to do a basic block for your upper body, for your skirt, for your sleeve, well, then you're on your way to create a dress for yourself. So the complete dressmaking course is all about that. The combinations can be so many. You can do different styles using those different blocks and the styling that you will do using those blocks. I also have a very popular course which is called Sari Blouse Making Course. Sari Blouse is something which is very close to my heart. I have seen women struggling to get a good fitting for their sari blouse, struggling with the tailors to communicate their design, and many other challenges. So this course I designed for people who always wanted to make their own sari blouse. Again, it starts with very basic measurements, creating a basic block, and then doing different styles of sari blouses. So these are the two most popular courses that I'm offering on this platform. And then of course, I have children wear course, there's a pant making course separately, and many other courses that you can see in the menu section. So I'm very excited to have you on board. I hope you find this course useful. Please do leave me a review because your reviews are going to make my course even better. The courses are still in a beta stage. That means that I'm adding more and more content and more value till it becomes perfect, which I don't think it can ever become because there's always room for improvement. So I'm going to improve these courses every month, every year. So once you enroll, you will be part of that journey. Really hope that you find value in this course. So all the best, and I'll see you on the other side.